All right, I have a story for you. Are you ready? Okay. I got a new pair of boots, as you can see, like right there, right? We go to my aunt's farm and I go to put the boots on. I see something in the bottom of the boots and I'm like, okay, whatever, right? Maybe it's just a fresh pack. Grab it, look at it, and I'm very puzzled because it's not what I think it is. Do y'all see that? Y'all see what that says? It's a fucking condom. I found a condom in my boots. Brand new boots. Why?